Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to take a screenshot in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to take a screenshot in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Type here snipping tool, SNIPPENGTOOL. After click on snipping tool and click here new. That is. This is pen. Choose your color as you like. Went to red, highlight. If you want to save, so click on file, click on save as. After click on OK, save. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to take a screenshot in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.